Today we are going to learn about optimizing batch processing for cloud environments. You'll gain strategies to enhance performance and reduce costs in cloud-based batch processing. Welcome to our session on optimizing batch processing for cloud environments. As organizations continue to migrate workloads to the cloud, efficiently managing batch processes becomes increasingly crucial. In this video, we'll introduce you to cloud-based batch processing, highlight its significance, and outline the strategies that can boost performance while minimizing costs. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to optimize your cloud batch processing effectively.
Batch processing in the cloud refers to executing a series of non-interactive jobs all at once. Unlike real-time processing, batch processing accumulates data over a period and processes it as a group. Cloud environments enhance this model by providing scalability, flexibility, and often lower costs due to pay-per-use models. Common use cases include data transformations, report generation, and large-scale computations. The cloud's ability to scale resources dynamically allows businesses to handle varying workloads efficiently, ensuring that resources are only used when needed, reducing waste, and optimizing costs.
The shift from on-premise to cloud environments involves several key differences. On-premise setups require significant upfront capital for hardware and ongoing maintenance costs, whereas cloud environments offer a pay-as-you-go model, reducing initial investment. Cloud infrastructures provide unparalleled scalability, allowing resources to be adjusted based on demand dynamically. This contrasts with the static nature of on-premise setups. Deployment in the cloud is typically faster, with updates and maintenance handled by the service provider, freeing internal IT teams to focus on strategic tasks. Understanding these differences is crucial for optimizing batch processing in the cloud.
Cost considerations are paramount when optimizing cloud-based batch processing. Cloud providers typically offer various pricing models, such as on-demand, reserved, and spot instances. Identifying the cost drivers, such as data storage and transfer fees, is crucial for effective budgeting. Strategies to minimize expenses include using spot instances for non-critical workloads, auto-scaling to avoid over-provisioning, and leveraging cost monitoring tools to track and analyze spending patterns. Efficient resource management ensures that you're only using what's necessary, ultimately reducing costs without compromising performance.
Auto-scaling is a cloud feature that automatically adjusts the number of active servers based on the current demand. For batch processing, this means that resources can be scaled up to handle large jobs or reduced during low demand periods. The primary benefits include cost efficiency, improved performance, and resource optimization. Implementing auto-scaling involves setting scaling policies and defining triggers such as CPU usage or queue length. While auto-scaling simplifies resource management, challenges may include setting appropriate thresholds and dealing with sudden spikes in demand. Solutions include regular monitoring and adjusting policies as needed.
Spot instances are cloud resources available at a significant discount compared to on-demand instances, with the caveat that they can be reclaimed by the provider with little notice. They are ideal for batch processing tasks that are flexible in terms of timing. The cost benefits are substantial, often reducing expenses by up to 90%. However, they come with limitations, such as potential interruptions. Best practices for using spot instances include designing applications to be fault-tolerant, using checkpoints to save progress, and combining them with on-demand instances to ensure critical tasks are not disrupted. Proper management of spot instance interruptions is crucial for maintaining efficiency.
Monitoring and logging are essential components of optimizing batch processing in the cloud. They provide insights into system performance, resource utilization, and potential bottlenecks. Cloud environments offer a range of tools for monitoring, such as AWS CloudWatch or Google Cloud's Operations Suite, which help in setting up alerts and dashboards. Analyzing logs helps identify areas for optimization, ensuring that processes run smoothly. Continuous improvement strategies involve regularly reviewing performance data and implementing changes to enhance efficiency. By maintaining a comprehensive monitoring and logging framework, you can ensure your batch processes are always optimized.
Security is a paramount concern when processing data in the cloud. Best practices for cloud batch processing security include encrypting data both at rest and in transit and implementing strict access controls to ensure only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. Regular security audits are crucial for identifying vulnerabilities and ensuring compliance with industry regulations. It's also important to implement secure workflows that automatically handle security tasks, reducing the risk of human error. By adhering to these practices, you can protect your data and maintain trust with stakeholders. In this case study, we'll explore how a leading retail company optimized its batch processing in the cloud. Facing challenges with scalability and cost management, the company implemented auto-scaling and spot instances for their batch jobs. By doing so, they reduced costs by 40% and improved processing times by 30%. The implementation of monitoring tools allowed for continuous performance optimization, and security measures ensured compliance with data protection regulations. The key lessons learned include the importance of choosing the right cloud services and continuously reviewing and adjusting strategies for optimal results. In conclusion, optimizing batch processing in cloud environments involves understanding the unique features of the cloud, such as auto-scaling and spot instances, and leveraging them to reduce costs and enhance performance. Monitoring, logging, and security are vital components that ensure efficient and secure operations. As you move forward, apply these strategies to your cloud workloads, and continue learning and adapting to new tools and methodologies. By doing so, you can ensure your organization remains competitive and efficient in the ever-evolving cloud landscape. Thank you for joining us today.